5. Plants around us. Children, this is the 5th lesson in the course book Plants Around Us. Now we will do the workbook part for this lesson. The first section here is exercise time, and the first bit is tick the correct answer. Here we have few questions and we have 4 options as the answers. Among these 4 options we have to choose the correct answer and put the tick mark in the given boxes here. 1. Which one is a tree? And here the options are A. Mango, B. Hibiscus, C. Rose, D. Sunflower. And the correct answer here is mango, option A. We will put the tick mark for option A here. Which one is a tree? And the answer is mango. 2. Which one is an insect eater? And the options here are A. Mouse, B. Mushroom, C. Pitcher plant, D. Rose. And the correct answer here is pitcher plant. Pitcher plant is an insect eater. So we will put the tick mark here for option C. Pitcher plant is an insect eater. Now we will move to the third one. 3. Where does lotus grow? And the options here are A. Mountain, B. Water, C. Trees, D. Land. And the correct answer here is B. Water. We will put the tick mark for option B. Water is the correct answer. Where does lotus grow? Lotus grows in water. 4. Which one is a shrub? And the options are A. Gulmohar, B. Rose, C. Mint, D. Tulsi. And the answer here is rose. B. R-O-S-E. Rose is a shrub. Which one is a shrub? And the answer here is rose. So this is about the first bit. Tick the correct answer. And now we will move to the next bit. The next bit under exercise time is to tick the true and cross the false statements. Here are given 5 statements. We have to identify the true statement and put the tick mark. And for a false statement, we have to put a cross mark. 1. Very big and tall plants are called trees. And yes, this is a true statement, so we'll put a tick mark. 2. Plants keep the air dirty. No, this is a false statement. So we will put the cross mark in the given box. 3. Most trees live for 2 years. No, this is a false statement. Trees live for many years. So for a small statement, we will put a cross mark here in the box. 4. Plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. So the plants which grow on land are called terrestrial plants. Yes, this is a true statement. We will put a tick mark in the box. 5. We should take care of trees. Yes, this is also a true statement. We should take care of the trees. So we will put the tick mark here in the given box. So this is about the true and false bit under exercise time. Now we will move to the next bit. The third bit under exercise time is fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. Children, here we have 5 sentences with blanks in them. we have to fill in these blanks with the words given in the box here. We have to choose the correct word and fill in these blanks. And the words given in the box are creepers, New Zealand, China, wood, trees. 1. Dash have many branches. And the answer for this is trees. Trees have many branches. 2. Dash grow along the ground. And the answer for this is creepers. We will write here creepers. Creepers grow along the ground. 3. We make furniture from dash. And the answer for this blank is wood. We make furniture from wood. 4. Kiwi fruit has come from dash. And the answer for this sentence is New Zealand. Kiwi fruit has come from New Zealand. 5. Lychee has come from dash. The answer for this is China. Lychee has come from China. So these are the fill in the blanks. Trees have many branches. Creepers grow along the ground. We make furniture from wood. Kiwi fruit has come from New Zealand. Lychee has come from China. So this is about the third bit. And now we will move to the next bit. The fourth bit under exercise time is match the following. Under this bit, we have to match the column A words with column B words. And column A words are banyan, hibiscus, cactus, duckweed, mint. And column B words are herb, desert, floating plant, flower, tree. And now we will match the words here. 1. Banyan. Banyan we will match with tree here. 2. Hibiscus. It is a flower. We will match hibiscus with flower. 3. Cactus. Cactus grows in desert. So we will match cactus with desert. 4 is duckweed. And duckweed is a floating plant. We will match duckweed with floating plant. Mint. Mint is a herb. We will match mint with herb. So this is about the match the following. Banyan, tree, hibiscus, flower, cactus, desert, duckweed, floating plant. Mint is herb. So this is about the fourth bit, match the following. And now we will move to the next bit. The fifth bit under exercise time is answer the following questions. Here we have few questions. We have to read the question and then we will write the answers for these questions. 1. Write 3 uses of plants. The answer for this question is plants give us fibers such as cotton and jute. Plants give us vegetables, fruits, pulses, cereals, sugar and oil. We make many medicines from plants such as neem, tulsi, eucalyptus. So these are the uses of plants. 2. What is a tree? Give 3 examples. The answer for this question is very big, tall and strong plants are called trees. And the examples are neem, gulmohar, banyan and mango. So these are the examples of trees. Very big, tall and strong plants are called trees. 3. What are herbs? Give 2 examples. And the answer for this question is very small plants with a thin, weak stem and live only for one season are called herbs. Examples are spinach, grass and mint. So these are the examples of herbs. And what are herbs? Very small plants with a thin, weak stem and which live only for one season are called herbs. Children, these are the answers for the given questions. You can write these answers in your workbook. And now we will move to the next question. What are terrestrial plants? Mention the types. And the answer for this question is plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. The types are desert plants, plants in the hills and plants in the marshy area. So these are the types of the terrestrial plants. And what are terrestrial plants? Plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. 5. What are aquatic plants? Give 2 examples. The answer for this is the plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. And the examples are duckweed, water lily, lotus. So the plants which grow in water are aquatic plants. And the examples of aquatic plants are duckweed, water lily and lotus. 6. Name the types of aquatic plants with one example each. So here the answer is the types of aquatic plants are floating plant and the example is duckweed. Fixed plant, the example is lotus. And submerged plant, the example is hydrilla. So these are the 3 types of the aquatic plants. Floating plant, fixed plant, submerged plant are the types of the aquatic plants. And what are the examples? Duckweed is an example for floating plant. And lotus is an example for fixed plant. And hydrilla is the example for submerged plant. Children, these are the answers for the given questions. You can write these answers in the workbook. And now we will move to the next section. The next section here is horse. Rohan's mother told him that we should not sleep under trees at night. Why? At night, trees release more carbon dioxide than oxygen, which can lead to suffocation. It is wise to sleep under a tree at day because at night the tree gives out carbon dioxide and takes in oxygen. So children, why should not we sleep under trees at night is trees release more carbon dioxide than oxygen at night. So it is wise to sleep under a tree at daytime than at night because at night tree gives out carbon dioxide and takes in oxygen. So this is the reason why we should not sleep under trees at night. Now this is about the horse section. We will move to the next section. The next section here is value based questions. Under this section, what is the question given here? How recycling of paper is helpful in saving trees. And here what you can write regarding this? Recycling paper helps to reduce greenhouse gas emissions that can contribute to climate change. It takes 70% less energy and water to recycle paper than to create new paper from trees. So this is how it helps. Recycling of paper helps to consume 70% less energy and water than to create a new paper from trees. That's why recycling of paper is very important. And this is about the value based questions under exercise time. Now we will move to the next section. The next section here is home assignment / project. So the activity given here under home assignment is take one pot and grow money plant in it. Water it regularly. Observe it after few days. Children, in home assignment, the activity given here is take one pot and with mud and soil in it and grow money plant in it. So when you sow a money plant and then water it regularly. You have to water the money plant daily and observe it after few days. If you water the plant daily, you will see some changes in the plant. You observe those changes after few days. And this is about the home assignment / project. And with this we completed the workbook part for the lesson Plants Around Us.